Hi students. Hi students. This is SP Rawat, Department of Information Technology, Jalan College, Chakradarpur. Students, in our previous video, we have started Boolean algebra, and under this term, we studied about different gates. That is NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. Apart from this, we have also studied NOR gate and NAND gate. Today, we are going to implement that gates in digital circuits. Let's start gate implementation in Boolean algebra. Let us take an example. Draw a logic circuit diagram for the expressions x bar y plus x y bar. So students, this is x bar. X bar means x NOT gate. Okay, when you are using NOT gate in x, then it become x bar. See, this is x. We are using NOT gate. Then here it is x bar. And x bar y. This is y. Okay. And x bar dot y. This means AND gate, because AND is the uh, multiplications relations of a logic circuit. So x bar y. We are implementing AND gate and it become x bar y. Like also here x and it is y, NOT gate y bar, it is AND gate x y bar. Then by using OR gate, because this is x, this is a plus symbol, so we are using OR gate. So x bar y plus x y bar. Let us take another example. A, a bar plus b whole into b bar plus c. Because there are three inputs, so we have taken three inputs a, b and c. A bar, first a bar, it is a, it is NOT gate, then it is a bar, and a bar plus b. First of all, we have to we complete this bracket and then only this bracket. So a bar plus b, again b, because it is a plus symbol between a bar and b, then so we are using OR gate, a bar plus b. Or like also here b bar c, this is b bar c. Now this is a dot product between this expression and this expression, so we are using AND gate, a bar plus b dot b bar plus c. Okay, now we just we represent the Boolean expression with the help of only NOR gate. See, with the help of NOR gate. Now we are using only NOR gate, because we have to draw the logic circuit with the help of only NOR gate. See, the expression is what? X bar x plus y dot y plus z dot z plus x. This is x plus y. X plus y. We are using NOR gate, so x plus y it give x plus y bar. Okay, whole bar. Here y plus z whole bar, and again z x and z plus x whole bar. Okay, again we are using NOR gate, then it becomes x plus y whole bar plus y plus z whole bar plus x plus z whole bar, total whole bar. So as you know De Morgan's theorem, a plus b, a bar plus b bar or a plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. So using this theorem we get x plus y dot y plus z dot z plus x dot. Now likewise, now we convert these expressions into digital circuit only with the help of NAND gate. Okay, xy plus y dash x dash y plus y dash z. So see, this is three input x, y and z. So x, y and z, x bar y, x bar y, because we have to convert, we have to use only NAND gate. So this is x and this is x bar. Okay, we already studied how to convert uh, universal gates. Why universal gates are used? Because to construct any fundamental gates. So with the help of NAND gate, we are constructing here NOT gate. So this is NOT gate, x bar, and this is y. So bar x bar dot y whole bar. Also here y bar, and this is z y bar z. Okay, now x bar y and y bar z bar whole bar. Again, using De Morgan's theorem, we get x bar y plus y bar z. The De Morgan's theorem we are using, it's x bar dot y bar equal to x plus y whole bar. So using that theorem we get x bar y plus y bar z. Now students, we just go through the postulates and theorem of the Boolean algebra. So students, a postulate is a statement that is assumed true without proof, whereas a theorem is a true statement that can be proven. So this is the basic difference between a postulate and theorem. Let us study about different postulates. First, identity law. Identity law states that a plus 0 equal to a. A is a variable, it may be 0 or 1. If it is 0, then 0 plus 0 equal to 0. If a is 0, then here is also 0. If a is 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Means if a equal to 1, here also a equal to 1. Here a dot 1 equal to a. If a is 0, then 0 dot 1 equal to 0. If a is 1, 1 dot 1 equal to 1. Second law is complements law. Complements law states that if a dot a bar equal to 0. If a is 0, then a bar is 1, then also 0. If a is 1, then a bar equal to 0, then it is in same case here is also 0. Complements law second theorem states that a plus a bar equal to 1. If a is 0, then a bar is 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. If a is 1, a bar is 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Next is commutative law. Commutative law states that a plus b equal to b plus a and a dot b equal to b dot a. Next postulates is associative law. Associative law states that a plus whole into b plus c equal to a plus b whole plus c. If we interchange the bracket, if we change the positions of the bracket, then it not affect the result. Here also, if a dot bracket in b dot c, if we change the bracket from b dot c to a dot b, then also result can't be changed. Next is distributive law. Distributive law states that A plus BC equal to A plus B whole A plus C. We prove this law later. And second one is A dot B plus C. We distribute A dot B plus A plus C. Okay. Next, next we just go to the theorems. First theorem is involution law. Involution law states that if x bar whole bar equal to always x. Okay. If x is equal to 0, 0 bar means 1, 1 bar means 0. So x bar whole bar equal to x. Next, idempotent law. Idempotent law states that a plus a equal to a and a dot a equal to a. Means 1 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Like also 1 dot 1 equal to 1, 0 dot 0 equal to 0. Now, De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem has two laws. De Morgan's theorem first law states that x plus whole bar x plus y whole bar equal to x bar dot y bar. That is, the sum, the product of the complement is equal to the sum of their complements. Okay, the product of their complements, the product of their complements means x complement, y complement, z complement is always equal to the addition of their complements means x plus y whole complement. If there is a third element z, x bar dot y bar dot z bar, then here x plus y plus z whole bar. See, this we can prove using truth table. This is x and y because two inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. X bar it's opposite of x 1 1 0 0. Okay, it is the opposite of y 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Addition of x plus y 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. X plus y whole bar means complement of this means 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0, and x bar dot y bar dot y bar 1 dot 1 1 dot 0 0 dot 1 means 1 and 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. X plus y whole bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. See, this is the result. It's proved that x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. Second law states that the product of their complement is equal to the sum of their complements. The product of the complements is equal to the sum of their complements. So x, we also prove it through truth table. See, this is xy 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 x dot y bar. This is xy. This is xy 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and the complement of xy is 1 1 1 0. Okay, because it is the opposite of x dot y. Again, x bar opposite of x 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 plus y bar. It, it's the opposite of again y 1 0 1 0. So addition x bar plus y bar 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 means 1 1 1 0. So we can see, this we can prove through truth table. X dot y bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. Now we prove the distributive law as earlier I have told that I can prove it later. See, this is a plus b whole into a plus c equal to a plus bc. Uh, Let us take the left hand side a plus b whole a plus c. A into A into C as the distributive law. Okay. So A dot A plus A dot C, A dot B plus B dot C. Clear? Now A dot A equal to A. Okay. A dot A equal to A. Which law we have studied? Idempotent law. A dot A equal to A. Plus A dot C plus A dot B plus BC. A dot A equal to A. Now we take A as a common. A 1 plus C. Okay. From this variable and this variable. We take common A 1 plus C plus A dot B plus B dot C. As we know that 1 plus C is equal to 1. See how? If C is 0, 1 dot 0 equal to 1. If C is 1, 1 dot 1 equal to 1. Okay. Now, again we take A as a common. A 1 plus B. As we know 1 plus B equal to 1. So, A plus BC will left. This is what? It is right hand side. So, we can prove the distributive law. Students, this is all about implementations of logic gates. If you have any doubts, then comment me in the comment section, or you can email me, or you can WhatsApp, you can message me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.